Guys, oh my god, we are not going to talk about my hair. Oh dear. I don't know how many clips I have of me in the beginning talking about my hair. In my defense, I just woke up. What's up guys, welcome to the channel, welcome for the ride Baby Dogs here, and we are back for another vlog. So today guys, it is a very important day. It is an hourglass Christmas. We have been talking about this day since last Christmas. We are calling it an hourglass Christmas because it is me, Nisha, and Nash meeting up. And we're gonna do gift exchanges, we're gonna do karaoke, we're gonna have food, we're gonna take photos. It's gonna be a whole fun, eventful day. So yeah, I am truly excited for what's to come. I get on a call with Nash around 12:30 and we're gonna get ready together on FaceTime, of course. And then we are going to see what the plan is because of the weather. And who knows what could happen within 3 hours. And then we're all gonna meet up at 2, and then it'll all start. So stay tuned for a very eventful day. It's gonna be a lot of fun to watch. I can't wait, and I hope you guys enjoy. So without further ado, let's get started with the vlog.
It's silent. Well, we don't know if we want music playing back, but there's music playing back. Anyways, welcome to the annual Christmas party. I don't know what to say. 2023, it's my second year doing this. A lot less people this year. Letting in the old, we're putting in new. You know, that's all I gotta say. And the onesies really great. Yeah, that too. So, to start off, apparently Nash wants to go first. Because she's just that desperate to get gifts. Okay, I know, we give great gifts. And we're vibing the SZA. Yes. Let's do 0.5.
Two vlogs here.
That was 0.3. Let's see what it is. Hey, we got those M&Ms.
I know you're hooking up with the good stuff.
Yeah.
The card first.
We got the little
anything else, okay? Does it have money in it? No.
Chillax, Nash.
Oh, you're so cute, Alicia.
Look at that wrapping. Go off.
How the fuck do I open this?
Now, is this the gift she knows about?
No.
Okay. Is that une livre? Je sais le français. Oh.
Okay, good. You like it. That's a good thing. Yeah. Because you were saying you love her.
We're zooming in on it.
And that was... Oh, what's this?
Bro, your wrapping's too good. Like, my wrapping's actually shit.
All things don't shake.
Bav has snapped you, by the way.
Can I rip the box? Sure, you rip it. How much did you get me?
Did she put another thing she wrapped? Oh my god, that's actually such an Alicia thing to do. Oh, we wonder what it is. Wow, smothering. Oh, I know it. I forgot I know what the gifts are.
Zooms in. 0.5 and zoom in. Oh my god! That's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna change this up. And it's a 2-pack, so you go. Yeah, bitch, I love it.
We love the aesthetic cups, what jars? Jars, mugs, cups. Cups, jars, mugs.
Straws? Yeah, there's
Straw.
probably to make you fancy.
She gotta stay to your bougie lifestyle, you know?
Aw, come here.
Go there, hug her.
Nisha, I hope you didn't write a long message because it's gonna be very bad.
It's not a long message, it's just it looks like a lot, but it isn't. Yeah, Kara said it's
Great. Critiques me up.
so now they're number 1 and 4.
Oh, that's so pretty. An asset to your coffee addiction.
And then look inside the mug. I added that just today.
To help when in the dark.
Book light? Yeah. Oh my god! Because we love being in aesthetic because we read in the dark.
Props to Alicia for helping. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so glad I didn't order it. Is your Boxing Day card? Yeah. My favorite line. Think about babe. Which babe? Shut the fuck up. What is it? Shit, what's the point on that? What?
Wow, tissue paper. Oh, you call me a card.
Okay. Chillax.
This is Nash's contact name for me. 2, lying liar who lies all the time. I promise I don't. I don't.
Wonder what this one is. You know what, guys? These two cheated and they told each other what they got.
Because we were planning this, like... I saw it on your reading list and I was like, I remember. It is called The Haunted Party. I haven't read the guest list yet. Why is there weight?
It's a book composer, so you can stamp your name onto your books. It says for, I think it says the Library of Alicia Albert. Or Alicia, yeah. Alicia. That is so cute! I didn't know it's personalized. So all your books, it'll now have your stamp on it.
Gosh.
I told you I was gonna win first place. Okay, chill.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I chose to beg.
You did.
I literally forgot that. There we go. See, this is the first card in 11 years that I fully opened, or 10 years. I need this on camera, please. Keep the note on your gift. Out of all years I've known you, what did you do? And what?
The record player.
Wait, is this real?
Yeah, what are you joking?
No, there's nothing else.
Yeah. I was like waiting for the. Okay, I don't. It's so cute. It's a mini bubble tea. Be careful with the pit. Is this a heater?
No.
What is it? I'm so confused.
It's a heater. Why the fuck would I get
I
a
don't
heater? It's just stuff that complements the fridge.
What is this bubble tea? There's so many bubble tea. A mirror? Oh my god.
Oh, I have water.
Yes, because you know why I fucking shaved off my eyebrows? Because my room is so dark and I don't have a proper mirror, guys, to do my makeup. You know what?
Tissue.
Alicia, ready?
Wait.
Oh my god! I talked about it with Nisha. I would want to guess that.
Yeah.
Wrapping? You know what? Alicia wanted wrapping this year for sure.
Yeah.
Love the wrap. I'm literally gonna eat this tonight too.
Right?
Like,
That's
shit.
what I'm doing. Keep going, keep going.
Does it matter which order?
No.
Aw, sounds to my spot. A karaoke microphone? Oh my god, is it for that or is it just like
Just in general, because I know we love our karaoke.
so like it has like a mic and stuff?
Yeah, Bluetooth.
It's a Bluetooth one, so you
Like-
can connect it to your phone.
Yeah. It should. Let's hope it connects.
Like, have you seen those TikToks of those two girls who are from Toronto and they like
Yes, I
film in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
and we're
gonna
like,
be
oh,
us.
we have to buy it for the
That's gonna be
This is
us,
so
our
cool.
feature part of the
Oh.
karaoke. Come over and holla at us if you don't mind.
Small or bigger info?
Do smaller than big.
Okay.
Because big one has a little backstory when you open it.
Aww. I love that. Oh my god. Oh, flip that around. I've actually, wait, I've heard of this book.
It's a good book.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, she has noise. Oh. How do I go back? How many things did you put another wrap in? Oh my god. I see a gift set. Is it like a bunch of
Kind of. So it's like, you know how you can get the little things on Amazon, but separately, this is kind of everything in a gift box.
Oh, this is so
Yeah.
cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're getting 2 vlogs of this because the dual channel is also vlogging. How did Christmas wrapping go? Or Christmas wrapping. How did Christmas unraveling? Nash.
It's amazing.
I feel happy.
She's the one that wanted to open it too, so.
Yeah, she was so excited.
I feel very happy.
You know, the one I was most nervous about for Nash's gift was a tote bag because
Yeah.
here's the thing, it I wasn't sure if it was gonna come in time.
How did you even get it?
I'm not saying it.
A magician never reveals
Yeah,
his secrets.
but I was literally like, I didn't think it was gonna come on time, and I also thought they would charge me extra, and I was like,
Anyways, but we are all in matching onesies, as you can tell. We're trying to order food because I'm kind of starving after opening all those gifts. So, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do what every Vlogmas person has been doing on their videos. We're gonna make cookies. We're not making them, we're just baking them because they're here. And Uber Eats decided to do us dirty. Instead of an hour, we now have to wait till 6:30. So we're going to.
Do you not know how an oven works?
Yet she lives in her own apartment.
Yeah, I live in my own place and I don't know how it all works.
Nash. Nash.
Preheat. What does it say?
So, my phone's been on the charger the whole time. We've had dilemmas. We have cookies. And we got food. These cookies. Bomb. We're gonna grub, watch a movie, and somehow do karaoke and photos. But yeah. Are we doing karaoke?
What do you mean?
Are we doing photo booth?
Doing what?
Photo booth.